name's Steve, and we're making enchilada. This is Costco chicken, and this is green onions, and this is onion. Do this thing alright. Chicken. Oh no, get some white onions. Sauce. Get some water. Oh, get some water. We'll build this out. Keep it on a budget, you know. How much sauce did I drench it on?
You don't say that when you're the cook.
Oh, yes. This is the more the merrier. So, more sauce. More sauce. Edit that part.
We're making enchiladas.
That's right.
This is mine.
Yeah. Careful, it's hot.
It's a little bit.
Maybe.